Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Omio account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Omio application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Omio application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the profile icon. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top of this interface, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the sign in interface. You can create your account from here. You'll be able to find three options. Continue with Facebook, continue with Google, continue with email. Simply tap on the sign up method of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on the option continue with email. If you also tap on the option continue with email, you'll have to enter your email address. So in this interface, simply enter your email address. Now tap on the option continue. Now you can see over here, you'll have to enter your first name and last name. First of all, enter your first name. Now enter your last name. If you want to receive the travel offers, trip reminders and other updates by email, simply check on this box that you can see on this interface. Otherwise, simply tap on the option create your account. Now you can see over here your account has been created. So that is how you create Omio account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.